Hello guys, in today's video, I'll guide you through how to connect Claude to Blender. Connecting Blender with Claude can transform your 3D workflow by allowing you to use natural language to automate tasks. Instead of performing everything manually, you can simply tell Claude what you want to create, and it can help streamline your workflow. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Claude account. After signing in, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Customize, and then select Connect Your Apps. In the search bar, search for Blender. You'll see the Blender application listed there. Click the plus icon next to it. Before you can use the Blender connector, you need to have the Claude Desktop application installed. So click the Download button and then select Download for Windows to download the Claude Desktop application. Once the download is complete, run the Claude setup file. Claude will automatically download and install the desktop application on your computer, so wait for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, open the Claude Desktop application and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Claude Desktop interface. Now go back to Customize again. Click Connect Your Apps and search for the Blender application again. This time, you'll see an Install button. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Install to install the Blender connector. Next, we need to download the MCP Server Add-on. Click on the instructions link and then click the download link provided. It's a small file, so it should download almost instantly. Now let's install the add-on in Blender. Open the Blender application, then click Edit in the top menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click Add-ons from the left-hand side. Then, on the right-hand side, click the drop-down arrow and select Install from Disk. Browse to your Downloads folder, select the downloaded MCP file and click Install from Disk. Once the installation is complete, you'll see MCP listed in the add-on section, which confirms that the add-on has been installed successfully. We've now installed the Claude Desktop application and connected it to Blender using the Blender connector. Now let's use Claude to create something in Blender. In the Claude Desktop application, first select the AI model you want to use. Then click the plus icon. Go to Connectors and make sure Blender is enabled so Claude can access the Blender application. Now you can simply tell Claude what you want to create in Blender. Claude may ask for some permissions to access your computer. Go ahead and allow those permissions. When Claude requests access to Blender, click Allow for this session. At this point, Claude will be able to control and interact with the Blender application. If you notice an orange blinking border around your screen, that means Claude is actively using your computer. If Claude asks for additional permissions during the process, you can approve them so it can continue performing the requested task. Alright, once the session is complete, as you can see, Claude has successfully created a simple car model in Blender. You can continue customizing the model by simply telling Claude what changes you want to make and how you'd like the final result to look. Claude will then perform those tasks for you. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.